Today we will create dynamic split screen effects in Filmora, and will also use flare effect. So let's open Filmora. Split screen effects are in the template section. Many categories of screen effects will be available here. But for now we will make this split screen. So it has to be brought to the timeline by drag and drop. And you can also control the border color and size of this template. So click on Advanced and add videos. I had already added some videos to Filmora. I add the adjustment layer for color correction. Then coming to effects, in the overlay section, I add a nice flare effect. And later I also use a particle. So in this way, dynamic split screen effects can be created, that too in a short time.